Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your account on Outlier.ai. If you haven't heard of Outlier before, let me introduce you. It's a platform that allows you to contribute to AI development in areas like journalism, math, chemistry, data science, coding, law, and even history. By becoming a contributor, you can participate in AI training tasks and earn income while assisting in building smarter AI models. It's a great way to get involved in the world of AI and make some money along the way. To create your Outlier AI account, you should start by visiting Outlier.ai's official website. You'll be directed to a section where you can explore the opportunities available on the platform. Click on View Opportunities to learn more about the different projects. Before proceeding, you'll be asked to acknowledge that your account might be temporarily paused depending on your location. Once you accept, click Continue. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to fill out your details to create your account. Enter your legal first name and last name, provide your date of birth. You'll need to pick your birthday from the calendar, then select your country from the drop-down list, choose the country where you're currently located, then add your phone number and check the box to agree to receive messages from Outlier through your phone or email. Next, once your details are submitted, you'll receive a verification email or SMS. Follow the instructions to verify your account. After filling out all the necessary information, you can finalize your registration and join the Outlier community. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.